Hi viewers, welcome to Mother's Touch with me Pramila. So today's recipe is fish curry. So let's see the ingredients and the process to make it. So I've taken mackerel fish, that is bangada. I've cleaned it and I've added some salt and turmeric to it. Then I need oil, methi seeds, small onions, curry leaves, green chili about 4 to 5. Then I need garlic which I have peeled. Then I need turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, a little bit of garam masala. Then I've taken the tamarind juice. Then I need mustard seeds, jeera, and I've taken coconut oil just to add in the last to give the aroma, and salt to taste. So first we have to prepare the masala to it, which I've grinded. I've used onion, pepper, jeera, little bit of coconut and 1 tomatoes. So this is a masala which is required for the curry. Then you can add curry leaves at the last just for the garnish. So now let's see the process to make it. First I've taken a mud pot for this, which gives a very authentic taste. So you need to add some oil. You can use the normal refined oil for it. At last we are going to use coconut oil. So in the beginning you can add the normal refined oil. See that the oil gets heated up. Now the oil is heated. I'm going to add methi seeds. These small onions. Use a small one, that gives a good taste to the dish. Fry it well. We need to add the mustard seeds. Jeera, then curry leaves. We're gonna add about 7 to 8 garlic. You have to peel it and add it. See that it gets roasted well in the oil. Fry until the oil, the onions, the garlic and the curry leaves gets fried properly. So now we can add the masala powders to it. We are going to add chili powder. We have added about 2 spoons. Coriander powder, little bit of garam masala, and turmeric. Don't keep the flame in a very high because the powders may get burnt. So cook it in a very low flame. Then we are going to add the masala, the paste which we have prepared, using the onion, pepper, jeera, little bit of coconut and 1 tomato. So let this masala get cooked well. See that the raw smell of the masala is completely gone. Keep mixing it properly. Now we have added the masala, and you can use some water. So the whatever the consistency you want, if you want it liquid, add more water. Then you can add some salt. We have already used some salt in the fish, so you can use little bit. Later you can see, check and add some more. Mix it well. Now we are going to add the green chili. We have used about 4 to 5 green chilies. Let the masala get cooked well. Add some water. Allow it to boil. Now the curry is boiling. So see that the raw smell is gone completely. Now we are going to add the tamarind juice to it. After adding it, mix it well and allow it to boil only for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now the masala is cooked well. We need to add the fishes to it. Keep it in a low flame and add the fish. Now we have added the fish to the gravy. See that the fish pieces are completely soaked in the gravy. Don't keep turning them, it may break. Now the fish is cooked. Now we can switch off the stove. Then we can add curry leaves and coconut oil to it. So this basically gives good aroma to the dish. So now the fish gravy is ready. Now the fish gravy is ready. Please try this. Leave your comments and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.